This 2026 Winnebago Ekko 22A is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, oven, smoke detector, microwave, TV antenna, awning, TV, spare tire kit, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2026 Winnebago Ekko 22A is built on a Ford AWD Transit Chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.